Hello, 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 everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm Gertrude Chapman. I'm an inspirational book coach and the creator of the Aspiring Authors Lab, where I teach aspiring authors who are struggling with self-esteem, self-confidence, and self-worth issues. I teach them to cut through the clutter, leverage their knowledge, and create an income. So, how many of you have already written down your goals for your book this year? Not only your goals, but your plans on reaching those goals, because this is very important. Look at the money that you're leaving on the table that could be in your bank account. Do you know there are 63,000 Google searches every second of every day of people searching for what you already know? And you have been distracted by whatever, okay? Instead of writing your book and generating an income. Now, maybe you are thinking you can't do it. And I understand that. But I want to tell you that you could do anything that you focus your plans toward. Sometimes it may seem like everything's all jumbled up in your mind, but once you start writing it down and put it on paper, it's different. Planning is vital. It's something that we all should do. So don't allow the numbers to scare you, especially when you often think about being financially free. I know a lot of times that, runs across people's mind about, being financially free, especially if you're in a job that you don't like, okay? Or that's paying low. And you think about, I'm barely making ends meet. Think about that. It's time to stop, talking about it and start being about your money. Be about your money. So that's what your goals and that's what your plans are for this year that you should be writing down. You had aspirations of writing a book. So be about it. Let me ask you this. Do you know that an ebook is an asset? Did anybody ever tell you that? I want you to schedule an appointment with me by going to bit.ly. I need help writing my book. Again, that link is bit.ly. I need help writing my book. Let me tell you something else. With 7.7 billion people in the world, and you thinking that, what you have is not important. And that's not true. That's not true at all. There's lots of room for you in your book. You have to embrace your uniqueness. Think of the knowledge you possess, your story, and all of the gems you have inside. Money is everywhere. But you just have to decide and be intentional about writing your book this year. And again, go to bit.ly / I need help writing my book and schedule an appointment with me. Do you ever think about that? About, doing something for yourself this year and stop leaving money on the table? Somewhere you have to make a change. Now, let me ask you this. Who couldn't use extra money in their bank account every month? I know I certainly can. And I think I speak for everyone. So think about it. Think about that. And I hope that what I just shared has inspired you and brought value to you by elevating your self-worth and stirring you to be intentional in writing your book this year. So again, that link is bit.ly / I need help writing my book. And I want to thank you for joining me. And join me again the next time. I'm Gertrude J. Chapman, inspirational book coach. Remember, this is your time. This is your season. This is your turning point. Have a great afternoon.